Hello all, I'm Daniel. I've been part of the Web3 ecosystem since about roughly 2017, became part of Cardano around 2019, but then shortly, a little bit after that, started to get involved with Aragon and eventually became head of governance there in 2021. Which took me a little bit away from the ecosystem, but now it's been about a year and a half that we left and we started working in this project. And now I'm very happy to be back working with the Cardano community and bringing these proposals. So we are TogetherCrew. We help to unlock community power growth through analytics and different automations using community data. This is a project that's already serving a series of other communities that have given us some pockets of funding to develop it. And now we're bringing it to Cardano to expand the functionality and bring the benefits that we have already delivered for Optimism, Cello, Aave, Aragon, LexDAO, and a series of other communities to also bring them here. So the key is that we believe that Cardano projects are only as strong as their community is strong. However, community management or community building in Web3 is a complex art. And most community builders are shooting in the dark in the sense that data is fragmented across platforms. Discord servers are a mess of noise coming at you from all directions. There is Telegram groups, Twitter conversations. Information is really spread all over the place. And it's hard to know where to focus, where to place attention, what's having a positive impact, what's not. And that's the same for community founders, community managers, or simply community members who are trying to find their way around. Importantly, because of that, the only metrics that we're focusing on are historically Web2 metrics that maximize noise. They maximize audience, but they don't maximize community empowerment. They don't maximize a sense of ownership. They don't maximize pro-social behaviors. They just throw more bodies there. So we are trying to increase the wrong metrics, which lead us to communities that become ghost towns, to NFTs that drop down in price, to projects that fail. Instead of that, we want to shift this conversation and really focus on community health. So we've done a deep dive project researching how do we understand community health? What are the factors that lead to community health? And now have transformed that research into a tool that communities can use. This tool provides behavioral science insights to build communities that are unstoppable. So we have community health analytics gathering data from different platforms. We are already gathering data from Discord. We're working with the Web3 Foundation to include data from Twitter. We're applying for this grant funding for Cardano to also give us the funds to include data from Telegram groups and other sources. Then thanks to these, community builders get personalized recommendations of what to do to improve your community. And as well as we have the data of all the interactions that are happening, we have power and AI that can answer questions with the knowledge from the community. So you can ask, hey, what is this database used for? Or is there someone else in the community who knows about this question? And it will point you to the information and the person to do it. So this is the proposal, is community health insights to build unstoppable Cardano communities. You can reach me out in Telegram as Mr. Jackalope, and you can see our proposal and join our Telegram group as well if you want to discuss. Thank you very much.
Hi, Daniel. Do you have any question for Daniel?
Yes, please feel free to comment your questions if you don't want to unmute yourself.
So it seems everybody's understands Daniel's proposal here. So as we mentioned, the links of his proposals and the presentations are in the Excel sheet. So if you'd like to go over it again, you can always do it anytime. So this is our last call for questions, either in chat or open mic. Feel free to express your questions because they will help the community to further understand about Daniel's proposal.
Yeah. And by the way, if anyone wants to test the tool and see where it's already at, you can visit TogetherCrew.com and use the tool in your own community already.
Can you share that link?
Yeah. There you go. Let me reformat it. Andy, did you have a question?
Thank you. I don't really have a question. I just want to comment that this is a very interesting one because, as you said, as you explained that, yeah, we can have many community of here and there and everywhere, and yeah, it's just suddenly it will just missing out the people. Nobody talking anymore. So yeah, I kind of wait how this gonna be measured. You know, I mean the method that you're measuring. That's what interests me. But when you're mentioning about the TogetherCrew.com, that is it actually already running that we can already use it?
Yes, it's already, the grant is to expand upon the existing functionality, but you can already use it. I'm also sharing in the chat the link to the research. You'll find that the long version is about 30 pages long with about over 50 different sources. But if you want to go deep into the topic, and if you want to converse after, we'll love to do so.
Great, great. Thank you. Thank you. It's interesting one, definitely. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Andy. So we would like spend the time for the last question from Amfredat. You're unmuted.
Hello. Hello. Yeah, thank you, your project. I think this project is awesome. So I want to know that which platform this your both can working on, like it's Telegram or Discord or something.
Right now, only Discord. We're working on Twitter, and the grant will enable us to implement it in Telegram if we can get the community to help us fund it. Then as well, after that, we'll be working on on-chain data, and the idea of the grant as well is to enable essentially include the Cardano blockchain for permission management. So you could decide who gets access to the analytics of your community based on wallet whitelist or token or, ERC, a token holding or NFT holding.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Daniel. Thank you for your presentation.